VEVOR sent me this really cool tool set and asked me to take a look at it and make this short video. You see it comes in a plastic toolbox, which is good because it's lightweight. It's got latches on each side here. I can undo, and on the front, and then I open that up and I get a series of open end wrenches here. You've got SAE and metric and a whole bunch of different Allen wrenches, long versions and short versions for metric and SAE. Going down to look at the rest of the toolbox here, in the front you've got drawers. So as you see here, 1, 2, 3 separate drawers. They're all orange, so it's bright, easy to see the sockets that are in there. If they're missing, you'll know it right away. You've got a latch on each side here to keep this secure, so when it's in the back of your truck, nothing slides out. Now that I got that latch opened up here, I can pull these out. You can see the different drawers. This whole set here, it's got a series of 1/2-inch driver for all of these sockets here, and a few with a 3/8 mixed in as well. But all kinds of deep well sockets, 1/2-inch drive on a lot of these. Very cool. They're going to give you a 1/2-inch driver socket ratchet here. 12 inches long, and it's a 1/2-inch drive with an extension here as well. You're going to get a whole bunch of 1/4-inch drivers. They're going to give you a handle for this as well. And you're going to have a bunch of 1/2-inch sockets here, some deep wells, and then you're going to get some socket wrenches also, different sizes, metric and SAE, and as well Torx on the top right there. All kinds of them there. This whole top one is lighter weight. It's dedicated to the 1/4-inch smaller drive. You're going to get a 1/4-inch drive ratchet, but also the screwdriver with the 1/4-inch end on it there. And then you're going to get all kinds of adapters here. These are all supporting 1/4-inch, plus some extensions for your 3/8 also. Overall, this is a great set. If you're trying to get somebody a set of sockets and you want a whole complete set from 1/2-inch down to 1/4-inch, then this is really what you'd want. It comes with a box and all. Really can't beat that. What a great deal from VEVOR. Hope that helps. Have a great day.